Almost. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's video is with Need Nova.
Hello.
So yeah, anyway, so we're gonna be demonstrating two panels today. Which one do you want to demonstrate first?
Yours.
Okay.
Alright. Let's go in the measurement.
Yep. Door
So
release.
this is the MAT MCP. I'm not getting that for a possible MCP control for some reason.
No, I did not name it off an MCP. I did not name it off
Why is
Chicago's
it the MCP?
Federal Signal MCP controller. It means Minecraft panel. Why is there? Oh yeah, that's because.
Or Minecraft control panel. You know yeah, I'll just say that.
Yeah, Minecraft control panel. It's conventional right now.
Yep, this panel is definitely confusing.
Yeah, and it could be a lot better, but I am not big brain sometimes, so.
Well, I am not big on either.
Why is this in an alarm condition? Uh-oh, it's broken. Wait, hold on, maybe that lever, hold on. What? What? Where? Where? And that's on purpose so they don't collide with each other. What the heck happened? Oh wait, hold on, the signal strength was not there. That should fix it. Ah! Oh, there it goes. Yay. We fixed it. Yes. Yep. I'm ready. I'm lagging so hard right now. I'm taking a look at. Oops. I'm upstairs. Alright, so this on. So you can acknowledge it, you can silence it, and reset it. And now up there, that's the city tie. So let's go ahead and empty the city tie. Also, this is on my server. IP will be in the description. Okay. No, you're fine. It's common knowledge now. Yes. Okay, go ahead and press the pull station again. Press the pull station. No, it doesn't. So it supports direct silence. Alright, it just puts a block in there with commands. Alright, go ahead and pull it again. Hey, go ahead and pull it again. Okay. And then it also supports direct reset. Sure. The way that works is just these repeaters right here. I think I just got disconnected, like timed out connection. Yeah, I got timed out connection. Oh, there. Back now. I'd like to turn my render distance down more. I'm lagging so hard for some reason right now. I'm literally at 8 frames.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll send you a picture if you want me to.
Okay, sure. Alright, now let's showcase your panel.
Hold on. Okay. I can't.
Alright, so this is Need Nova's panel. This is the whatever it is. Okay, do you want to do the one in the tree? Do you want to do the one in the tree or this one?
So this one. This one has different features, and it's small.
Yeah. See, it has code 3 and march time, drill. Do code 3.
What's it called?
Shy wins. Shy wins. And then we can... let me... Yeah. And then... Yeah. Hold on. Wait, let's do the temporal march. Yeah, I know. And yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe. I'm 1 subscriber away from 200.